January 7th, 2021. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. This is a private jet. My guess is a snowbird with buka bucks flying to Florida. Get away from the cold. We just had our first real cold snap and snow to come with it. So I'm sorry if the camera's shaking around, but this guy's got it juiced. And turning south, surprise, surprise. In where the weather is warm and the beer is cold. I'm drinking a hot latte today. Anyway, that's a beautiful takeoff on it. Not that noisy either. I just lost my girlfriend this week. Girlfriend of 24 years. I feel like my life has no meaning. Part of me wants to be on that airplane.